Researchers noticed a gray whale cruising at a depth of 233 feet below sea level. It rises 73 feet and then comes up another 40 feet to feed. At what depth is the gray whale feeding? So let's start with this depth of 233 feet below sea level. Below sea level, we would record as negative 233. Then it says that the whale rises 73 feet. Rises would mean increased, so it went upwards. And then comes up another 40 feet, so we're continuing to move upwards another 40 feet. At what depth is the gray whale feeding? So this is the number sentence, and now we can solve it. Negative 233 plus 73, signs are different, so we subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0, and then I need to borrow from the 2, make that a 1, and add 10 to the 3, making it 13. 13 minus 7 is 6, 1 minus 0 is 1. And there's more negatives than positives, so the whale, after going up 73 feet, is at 160 feet below sea level. Then we have to take the 160 and add 40 more feet because the whale went up a little bit further to feed. Negative 160 plus 40, signs are different, you subtract, and I'll just think about that one in my head. 160 minus 40 is 120, and there's still more negatives than positives. So at what depth is the gray whale feeding? Well, the gray whale is feeding at negative 120 feet. So 120 feet below sea level, and I'll go ahead and type that. The gray whale is feeding at a depth of 120 feet below sea level. The gray whale is feeding at a depth of 120 feet below sea level. Great.